Welcome to Tech Tide Digital Lifestyle, where real ship technology meets real sea life. I troubleshoot electrical faults, keep power systems alive, monitor navigation technology, and solve real maritime problems. If you are ready, like and subscribe our channel. Let's start.
When it comes to heavy duty industrial power, there is no room to compromise. आज हम बात करेंगे 600 एम्पियर MCB और ACB ब्रेकर्स के डिफेक्ट फाइंडिंग एंड डिफेक्ट सॉल्विंग प्रोसीजर के बारे में। एक ऐसा ब्रेस्ट जो आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम को ओवरलोड और शॉर्ट सर्किट से सेफ रखता है। We also discuss all important components inside the ACBs, MCCBs, and how to find out how to test all the components. To we keep continue and to this video, and we start from the MCCB first. Now, friends, you looking on your screens this 600 amps MCCB. They have a safety device that called under voltage relay UVR. So many times I have problem with that MCCB continuously tripping or not closing the breaker. That's why our equipment not working, or that require the supply, they not available with the supply. Keep this video watched at the end, because we are discuss all important thing, because we have a system our fireman pump that have issue because they not have available supply to operate that motor. So we find what is the issue with the breaker, that MCB, because they have a under voltage relay, they not allowed to close this circuit breaker, because there's a problem. We will find out how can I find out, how can I, so I will discuss everything. So friends, now we are live demonstration with our defect have MCB. This MCB not closing. So now we are open the front panel of the MCB and now removing the connection of the under voltage relay, because only one safety device in this breaker is under voltage UVR relay. This UVR voltage is working with the sense of voltage. They should need to sense the exact voltage it have or not. When exact voltage not have in the UVR, that breaker should not to close. So before removing the connection, you should ensure that it will be proper isolated. It LOTO and logo procedure will be strictly follow, and safety gloves, safety shoes, and everything will be proper wear, because it also have a 440 volt AC, because as per design of the EVR, any voltage will be available as per controlling of the MCCB. So now our case, we have 440 volt on the terminal of under voltage relay. So we check with the multimeter here, under voltage relay have 440 volt, because no connection problem. Now removing the UVR relay, found that the mechanism of closing the under voltage relay mechanism that not allowed to close the breaker, that is stuck inside. Only is minor problem inside. This is the stuck the lever. UVR lever is stuck inside. We simply remove the underwater relay from the MCCB and release that mechanism. Now reset again. He does not have much problem. But sometimes the coil also one. So when need to first removing the coil, removing the UVR relay from the MCCB, you need to check with the multimeter insulation resistance of the UV coil. It will be, if your coil is good, then it show continuity or show 0.422 ohms resistance. It's showing 0.422 ohm resistance, means its UV coil is okay. Now we already checked that is okay. We find some mechanism problem inside. So then now removed, and that lever will be engaging with some stuck with something. So I release that and refit again, and using proper safety gloves and everything. Now I'm reconnecting again that sensing voltage coming from the control circuit for the UV relay. It have two terminals always. It may be 440 volt in your scene or others as per design, or maybe 224. So if you not proper close that, you should do. You can see here its voltage is good. Now we are closing the front panel and try to close this circuit breaker and see it's working or not, because we already released that mechanism is stuck inside, so it may be work properly, I think. Before after completing the work, you should to cover a front panel properly and check no loose connection or any loose screw, open screw kept to normal functioning of the MCCB. So it's always to ensure all connection and all screw are proper tights. Now after the tight this connection, we will check is working or not. Now we check all the connection inside, and it all are found okay. Now we try to close the circuit, not closing, because we not reset the we are ready from the outside. They have the reset button. It always reset from breaker trip suddenly, so you need to check the reset again. So that clip we are try to connection. Now it's closed. Now this breaker is working perfectly fine because they have UVR mechanism some issues. They stuck with the lever. Now we fix it. So you can see all the demonstration how can we solve the problem. We have minor 2-3 problem in the UVR relay. If a coil is one, they will need to replace new one. If mechanism issue, we will try to repair by itself. So now is MCCB working perfectly. Now next topic in this video is the ACB circuit breaker. Now let us understand the important part of air circuit breaker. Main contact carry the normal load current. These contacts must be clean and good condition for proper current flow. Second part is RQ. RQ is a help to use the electrical arc from during the switching operation. It improves safety and protect the breakers from damage. Third one is the trip unit. Trip unit is the brain of the ACB. It detects overload, short circuit, and earth fault. Condition trigger the breaker to trip automatically. Fourth one is closing and tripping mechanism. This mechanism control the on and off operation of the breaker either manually or automatically. Fifth one is spring charging motor. This motor charge the spring mechanism which help in fast closing operation of the breaker. Next part is protection relay and sensors. These commonly monitor electrical parameters and provide accurate operation. Always remember, ACB maintenance very important. Loose connection, dust accumulation, and worn out contact can cause serious electrical failure. Always follow safety procedure and isolate power before maintain the ACB work. Now defect on ACB live demonstration, we have another video. You can find that video in our channel playlist. You can find ACB circuit problem, circuit breaker defect or troubleshoot. You can see that video in the our playlist, or you want to link of this that play that video of ACB circuit breaker defect or demonstration. I will send you link. You do comment on this video. Thanks for watching this practical demonstration troubleshooting session of this video. If you found this video useful, especially if you are working in electrical maintenance, panel troubleshooting or industrial power system, then please take a moment to look this video. Your support help us create one more practical electrical knowledge content. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Tide Digital Lifestyle and press the bell icon so ever miss our future practical electrical tutorial and troubleshooting videos. If you have any electrical problem related ACB, MCCB, circuit breaker or panel troubleshooting, you can comment below. I will try to answer your questions in your upcoming video. Share this video with your friends, colleagues and electrical community who maybe find the information useful. You also visit our channel playlist. You found marine important lecture tutorials, motor, generators, switchboard, and we are made many tutorials for industrial, marine, shipboard, electrical systems. You can watch our playlist and find out their important tutorials.